Hey guys, so I have here my JBL TUNE225tws, so truly wireless earbuds, and today I want to give you here a short beginner's guide about the most important functions of these earbuds and how to correctly use them. So right when you get them and take them out of the box, the very first thing you want to do is you want to put them, both earbuds here, into the charging case, because the batteries inside of the earbuds are going to be empty, and so you want to charge those up. And you can see that the batteries of the earbuds are charging when these little LEDs here on the side of both earbuds, when this is illuminated, that means they are being charged right now. So at this point both of my earbuds are charging, and as soon as the LED turns off, that means the battery is full. So before you start using the earbuds, you want to at least charge them for maybe 15 minutes. So that will give you 1 hour of playtime for the beginning, so you can try them out. So then you want to check out here these LEDs on the charging case. You see these? Yeah, there's 2 LEDs illuminated right now. There's a total of 3 LEDs, and these LEDs show you the battery percentage that is left inside of the charging case. So 3 LEDs means the battery of the charging case is full, so right now we are at about 66%, and so eventually we're going to have to charge the charging case. You can see when the last LED here, the one on the bottom, this one, when this starts blinking, then you really need to start charging the charging case. And how do we do that? All we need to do is we take the charging cable that comes with the earbuds, and we're going to plug the USB type C end, the smaller end, we're going to plug this in here. And then the other end, since the earbuds do not come with its own charging adapter, we're going to use here the charging brick of our smartphone. So in this case I have here my iPhone charger, and I'm going to plug this in there, and then I plug this into an outlet and now it is going to charge the battery of the charging case. See, now the one LED here is blinking. That means right now it is being charged, and as soon as the battery of the charging case is full, all 3 LEDs are going to turn off. And a full charge of the charging case does take about 2 hours, and the charging of the earbuds, I believe, takes just a little bit more than an hour. Okay, so if you have more questions about charging, then I suggest you check out my video here in the upper right corner, where I'm going to give you more details about the charging process. Okay, so now the next step that we have to do is we are going to have to pair these earbuds, for example, to our smartphone. And in this case I have here my iPhone. It works in a very similar way for Android phones as well. And I have specific videos for pairing to iPhones or to Android phones here in the upper right corner as well, if you want more information about that. So now how do we pair these? And that is really easy. We just open up the lid and we remove the right earbud. That's all we need. We just take out the right earbud. We're going to take a look at the LED again here. And it is supposed to blink in blue and white here. So this means just what you see here. This is the Bluetooth pairing mode. And in case you don't see this at the moment, then you can do the following. You see the button here on the side of the earbud. We're going to press this for more than 5 seconds, and it will shut down the earbud. See, now it's turned off, and now we're going to turn it back on again. And we do this by again pressing and holding, and we keep pressing it so for more than 5 seconds, and that will bring the earbud into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So now it will definitely be blinking in blue and white. So now the pairing mode here is activated. Now we can switch to our phone. I'm just going to put this earbud down. So now I'm going to my phone. I'm going to go to the settings menu. And here I'm going to enter Bluetooth. And then I enable Bluetooth. And then I have here a list of previously paired devices. But on the very bottom, that's where we're going to find here JBL TUNE225tws. So I can select this now. It's going to connect immediately. And now the earbuds are paired to the phone. And we don't have to do this pairing process ever again, as long as we have here these Tune225 still on the list, so you don't have to go through this process every time. So the next time you try to use the earbuds, they're just automatically going to pair again to your phone. Okay, so now let's actually start using these earbuds. And we do have the option to just use one earbud at a time. So this is the mono mode. So you can either use just the right one, or you can just use the left one. So if you really need a lot of battery time, then you can use this option. Or you just remove both earbuds at the same time, and now you can use the earbuds in stereo. And so all of these three variants are going to work, either the left one only, the right one only, or both at the same time. Okay, so now let us look at the functionalities of the buttons here on the sides of the earbuds. So we're starting out with using both earbuds, so we're using stereo mode, and we're going to look at the functionalities of the left earbud. And for the left earbud, if we press the button once, then this is going to skip to the next track. If we're pressing the button twice, we're going to the beginning of the current track or to the previous track. And there's more functionalities, so in case you get an incoming phone call, then pressing the button once is going to pick up the call, and pressing the button again is going to hang up. And while you are in a phone call and you press and hold the button for more than 3 seconds, that is going to enable or disable the microphone. So you can go onto mute by pressing for 3 seconds. Okay, so still in the stereo mode when you're using both earbuds, if we're pressing the button on the right earbud once, then this is going to pause the playback, and if we press it again, that's going to resume playback. Also, when we're having an incoming phone call, now at this point also the right button is going to pick up the phone call, or you're going to hang up. And also you can use the 3-button press and hold to mute and unmute your microphone. So also for the right earbud, if I press the button twice, it is going to activate the virtual assistant, so Google Assist or Siri or Bixby. So if I press it twice, you see here on my phone, now Siri just got activated. Now if we are just using one earbud, then these functionalities change a little bit. So it doesn't matter which earbud you're using, as long as you're just using one earbud, then so pressing once is going to be play and pause, and pressing once is going to be accepting a phone call and hanging up, as well as the 3 seconds to mute and unmute. If you're pressing the button twice, then this is going to activate your assist. So this can be Google Assist or Siri or Bixby. So now how do you know when it is time to charge the battery of the earbuds? And that is really easy. If you take a look at the LED here, when this is starting to blink in white, then the battery of the earbuds is low, and you should start charging it soon. So in order to turn off the earbuds, you're just going to put them back into the charging case, and the earbuds are going to charge their batteries, and you don't have to do anything else. You just close the lid and that's it. So they're going to turn off by themselves. And if you're wondering, once the battery is full, you can leave the earbuds in the charging case, so it's not going to hurt the batteries. They're going to be fine, it's all regulated. Just consider, if you're not using the earbuds for a longer time, then you should remember to take them out just for a little bit and use them. And also keep the charging case charged, because all of these 3 batteries in here are eventually going to discharge by themselves. Yeah, so this is already it here, the beginner's guide for the JBL TUNE225. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please write a message below, and don't forget to check out my other videos about these earbuds.